everyone, thanks for tuning in on this channel. We'll bring you the most promising crypto project and opportunities. Today, we've got something special lined up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your feedback in the comments section. So, before wallets like MetaMask, using crypto was kinda rough. You needed to copy long addresses, manage private keys manually, and there was no easy way to connect to decentralized apps or dApps. MetaMask fixed that. It became the bridge between you and the blockchain, like your digital passport to Web3. Here is why this matters. MetaMask makes Web3 usable. Without IT, DeFi, NFTs, DAOs, all that stuff would stay locked away behind code. Think of it like a browser for the decentralized internet. It's how millions of people safely explore crypto and blockchain apps today. Alright, in simple terms, MetaMask is a crypto wallet and Web3 gateway. It lets you store crypto, buy tokens, swap them, and connect to apps, all in one secure place. It's made by consensus on one of the major players in Ethereum's ecosystem. You can get it as a browser extension, Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or as a mobile app for iPhone or Android. And the key part, you hold your private keys so you own your funds, not an exchange. Let's check out the big feature straight from MetaMask.io. Buy crypto easily. Use a card, Apple Pay, or other local option to buy Ethereum or other tokens right inside MetaMask. Swaps trade token directly in your wallet with aggregated best prices, earn reward, access DeFi, earning options securely, snaps. This is new. Let's developer and add extension and extra features to your wallet. MetaMask Learn, a free learning hub to teach you what Web3 is and how to use MetaMask step by step. And right now, they've got free swaps to MUSD, MetaMask's stable unit, or Ethereum, or Linea util November 17. Pretty cool update. Alright, so here's the quick setup tutorial. Go to metamask.io, always do the official site, click get MetaMask, choose your browser or phone app, install it, create a new wallet, set a strong password. Super important. Write down your secret recovery phrase. That's your backup. Never share it with anyone. You're in. You will see your Ethereum balance, network name, and quick buttons like buy, send, swap. You can also add other network, Polygon, Linea, Arbitrum, super easy. And if you're lost, just hit MetaMask Learn. On their site, it literally walks you through Web3 like a mini course. Quick note, MetaMask doesn't have an official token yet. There have been rumors, but nothing confirmed on their website. So for now, the focus is in on features, not tokenomic like MUSD, snaps, and earn. As for what's next, MetaMask roadmap revolves around expanding snaps, strengthening security, supporting more blockchains, and growing users' education through MetaMask Learn. Their goal is simple: make Web3 safe, open, and easy for everyone. Instead of a white paper, they have open developer docs and educational material. Their philosophy: user control, privacy, and decentralization. They believe your wallet should be your identity, not a company's product. Alright, wrapping it up. MetaMask is the tool that unlocked Web3 for millions. It's simple, secure, and still evolving fast. If you're into crypto NFTs or just want to explore blockchain safety, MetaMask is the place to start. Remember, this video is for learning only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. If you learned something now, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Web3 explainer, and drop a comment. What's your favorite MetaMask feature? Links are in the description. metamask.io. Check it out safely. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.